Hello everybody. We're going to do a new build for a Claw bot with our Lian A4 H2O. As you can see, it's a small box and we wanted it to be small. But let's see what this thing looks like when we take it out of the box. See how much smaller it gets. Let's see here what we got. Looks like we got some propaganda. And let's see how we can get this thing out. All right. Nothing more in there. Got the black one. The other one comes in silver, and there's other models too. All right, it's got a nice rubber feet there. Let's see. Looks like the back just unscrews to get access to it. Let's just take a quick look here, see what we got. Let's see here. Okay, should just, there we go. There we go. It's got just a little. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's pop off the other side. Okay. Take a look at this side. Alrighty. So as you can see, they got the some USB 2.0s here, 3.0, and then the back part for the GPU, which I believe is going to sit in here vertical. So hopefully that gives us enough room, because in this little box here we're going to be putting this, this, this. Let's see here. Put that right there. This. And this. Let's see here. Just move those out of the way real quick. Doop. So that's literally 10 pounds of stuff in a 5-pound bag. And of course we still have our motherboard to put in there too. So anyway, that's the unboxing. And we'll get back to you with our actual build and how it goes, what worked and what didn't.